Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to import a price list regarding a number of items. So if we go to our items and we go to price lists, we can create a new price list. So let's call this one a winter special for our customers. Let's say that we want to do individual items, so not all items, and we're again going to do unit pricing on this. Now what you can do is you can go through and say, actually, for a winter special, for this particular item, I'm going to say that item 5 is now worth £250, or I'm going to sell this item here for £400. So you can go through individually and then hit save. Or what you can do is you can import the price list for the items, and this is usually a quicker way. So if we toggle this on, what we can do is export the items, and then we can update the price book, and then we can import them back again. So let's have a look at the Excel document that has been given to us. Here are our items. So what we can do now is we can individually change these values to a new item. So we can update these however we wish. So we're going to leave some out, and then I can do this here as 20 and as 10. So we've got some that have been given. So now what we can do is, coming back here, is we can import the item. So we find our file, and then we hit save. So we now have our winter special. Now this is the per item rate. So again, the same would apply, that if we would like this to be applied to certain items, we have to apply it to the customer first. So find our customer, hit edit, enter the price list. So now when we raise a sales order for this particular customer here, it has winter special. So if we choose the painting as a day rate, it will show as the new rate that we've selected. However, if I select something that has not been applicable, like the widget, we're getting an error to say, hang on a minute, it's not included. So that's fine. It's at the existing rate. It's still at £100. So you can see here, for instance, here, that originally the widget was going to sell at 100 anyway. So now you can hit save as draft. And you can see that it's been applied.